Good morning.
Hey, wait, let me get the camera. Hey, we're just cleaning up. The girls are having their treat after lunch. Actually, Bella's still finishing her lunch. But Audrey's having a cinnamon roll because Nana brought us cinnamon rolls yesterday and they're so good. And I've been cleaning. Music helps. Been dancing around my house like a crazy person. But it's getting cleaner, so I can dance if I want to. I still have more to do. I'm hoping to get most of it done by the time I have to go get Tyler from school. I'm hoping to have the bulk of it wrapped up. And I still have to finish editing the vlog. Normally I would have finished it in the morning. Like as soon as I take Tyler to school, I come home and I edit the vlog. But Audrey got a hold of the camera yesterday. And so a lot of there are like 10 extra clips on there of just stuff that so editing that is harder, but it's not bad. I want to get this other stuff done before I think about that.
Say hi. So, we got a bunch of boxes and bunches of others. So, look at this. This is Bella. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Gabbies. Say good morning. Say happy Valentine's Day. Say happy day. Say happy day. Say happy day. Bus. That's the thing we did.
Hey!
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 That's what I want to do it too. Hey!
Silly.
Hi!
So, I took care of 2 loads of laundry today, and there was a 3rd load of laundry that I finished and put on the bed.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, Audrey helped with the laundry. She helped a whole bunch with the laundry.
Thank you.
Thank you. And,
What?
then so I had that 3rd load of laundry, and I
Get see.
checked some stuff on my phone. I was gonna fold that last load of laundry.
Good morning. I want to say good morning.
Okay, hurry up, say good morning.
Well, I'm just not doing it.
You guys already said good morning. You can say hi if you want.
Good morning.
Silly goose.
Good morning.
So I was gonna take care of that 3rd load of laundry before I think the next thing I was gonna do was clean the bathroom or something. Anyways, so I just sort of laid back on my pillows to look at something on my phone. And I fell asleep. The girls were doing flashcards, letters out here. I remember Audrey came in, like, I think it was 2 or 3 times. 3 times, I'm pretty sure. To ask me, which sound is this? And I remember telling her, and then, I don't know. But I fell asleep, so I did not get that last load of laundry today. And now it's time to go get Tyler from school. I feel great. I was just like, it's like I just reclined a little bit, you know, laid back on those pillows, and heavy sleep, just like, yeah.
I got
But now we're gonna go get Tyler.
Good morning.
It's not good morning, it's good afternoon. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Granny.
Hey, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go to Skipper's for dinner.
Yeah, go see Nana some more. What? What? Come on, let's go. We're gonna go to Skipper's. Ready, Audrey?
She didn't want to go.
Audrey.
Oh, look at my thing I made. Mom. The doll.
Awesome tower of blankets and pillows and boxes. All right, y'all. On our way to Skipper's, the girls are starving, but they're sleeping. And of course, we're a couple 100 yards away. And here comes the train. Yay, train. Maybe the girls will wake up to hear it. But there's cool graffiti on there, I guess. But they're pretty cranky. They're all hungry. Of course, I asked, you know, they didn't want a snack or anything at home. Oh, that's cool. But we get in the car and pull out of the house and they're like, I'm hungry. I'm like, I'm going to get you bites right now. That is why we're in the car. It's to go get food for you. I still ended up, all three of them were crying at one point, but now they're all sleeping so nice and peacefully. See? So, we'll have food soon enough. As soon as this train passes. Oh.
That's a train.
What happened at school today?
There is a bike parade. But I didn't get to be in it.
Yeah, a bike parade.
Yeah. Mama. They literally had a bike parade. I'm gonna go night-night.
Are you gonna go night-night?
Yes, we rided a bus.
When you get home, you get to go
We
night-night.
had to ride the bus. We would get fries.
God, the sun is bright. So we left Skipper's. We had ice cream. We saw Pawpaw. I didn't show him. He pulled in as we were leaving, so we stopped and, well, I was getting ready to back out. And Nana gave them new clothes. Yeah.
Ta-da! This is
Yeah,
nice.
we'll see it when we get home. And then, of course, what do we run into? Not just a train. A stopped train. It's just chilling. Anyway.
Mommy, why you cooking food out train?
Because I can't go through a train. Physics.
Because only ghosts can go through, even though ghosts are not real. But you
Yep.
can't go.
I hope this doesn't take forever. It kind of looks like it might. Maybe I should turn around and go home the other way. Yeah, we can take the tags off. What do you think? Let me see. Look at you, sweetie buns. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Your new clothes from Nana.
Yeah.
Lucky you. Let's get your hair untucked. Oh, you're so cute. As soon as Sissy and Audrey are done, you have to brush your teeth, okay?
Go cut that.
Yeah, let's take it off. Oh, Audrey! How cute!
Thank you.
Nana did a good job, huh?
Thank
What a sweet outfit.
you.
Oh my goodness, we gonna be in trouble.
Not in trouble. Under me. Look at me.
Oh, I love that outfit too.
I could wear a belt with it.
You do?
I could.
I love it. Do you love it?
Yes. Can I keep it?
Yes.
group hug. Okay, ready? Okay, Bubs. Okay, ready?